Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 6 pounds to kilograms. Are you ready to convert 6 pounds to kilograms? Let's dive in. First, let's recall the conversion factor. 1 pound is approximately equal to 0.453592 kilograms. To convert pounds to kilograms, all you need to do is multiply the number of pounds by this conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Suppose you have 6 pounds of bananas that you need to convert to kilograms. We start by multiplying 6 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 2.721552 kilograms. But what if you want to convert 6 kilograms of flour into pounds? No worries, it's just as easy. To convert kilograms to pounds, you need to divide the number of kilograms by the conversion factor of 0.453592. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 6 kilograms of flour to pounds. We start by dividing 6 by 0.453592. This gives us approximately 13.22774 pounds. Remember to round this number to the nearest hundredth, so our final answer is approximately 13.23 pounds. And there you have it. Converting 6 pounds to kilograms and 6 kilograms to pounds is a breeze once you know the conversion factor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Visual Fractions for more informative content. Thanks for watching.